That's nasty. Here comes he did cut.
What do you want me to do with these?
He ate it. That's what I said. That's nasty.
What? What do you want me to do with all these?
Well, hang on a sec.
Here comes he there cottontail. Up and down money trail. Hey, honey, he's on his way. Ow! Here, look, nobody. The
one behind me just grabbed me and scared me.
Go show mine.
You have rice cake mum in your head.
Bug beat his back. He's choked.
Oh!
Now he is.
You better too before he shoves it.
It bumped my head.
You did. Stand up.
It bumped it.
Come on. I don't think this